Hey Los Altos. Now that we're done with our initial brainstorming session, we're going to take some of those ideas that we got through our reading and try to rewrite them as possible research questions. And for this part, we're going to use a process that's outlined in the Craft of Research, which is a research book that's used in a lot of colleges and universities to help students be better researchers. So let's begin. Now remember, with brainstorming, quantity matters over quality. So I want you to let your brain go and just come up with as many questions as you can. Let's aim for 50. Let's begin by thinking about your topic as if it were a title of a book. What would its chapters be? I want you to think about all the sort of subtopics of your topic and write as many questions as you can about those subtopics. Now I want you to think about your topic as if it were a chapter in a book about a larger topic, and write as many questions as you can about all the different larger topics that your subject could be a chapter of. Next thing we're going to do is think about how your topic can be broken up into different categories or different kinds. And I want you to come up with as many questions as you can, comparing and contrasting the different categories of your topic or kinds of your topic, and see what you get from doing that. Now I want you to think about how your topic may have changed over time. You may know what it looks like now, but what did it look like 10 years ago, 50 years ago, 100 years ago? Also, use this as an opportunity to think about what it might look like in the future and make some predictions about your topic. Now I'd like you to evaluate your topic. How good or bad is it? How useful? Think about the things you like about your topic, the things you don't like about your topic, or others might like, or others might not like, and use that to generate questions about your topic. And finally, I'd like you to explore some what-if questions. This is where you think outside of the box and just come up with any kind of random question that explores something that feels a little out there, but could be something worth exploring. If you did this right, you should have 45 to 50 questions that you can look at and start to evaluate, which we'll get into more detail in the next lesson, but at least put a star next to the questions that you are most interested in, you don't know the answer to, that could lead to the most interesting reading that you do next. And just let your interest and natural curiosity be your guide to highlighting the questions that are most interesting to you for right now.